Login loop error on Monzo US Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the Monzo app where you enter your email, get the magic link, and then get sent back to the login screen, you're not alone. This issue can be incredibly frustrating, but here's the surprising truth: it's rarely your account that's the problem. Instead, it's how the app handles temporary session data on your device. Monzo uses a secure magic link system for logging in, which means your email link verifies your identity for one-time access. But if the app's cache is corrupted or your email client opens the link incorrectly, the session fails to register, sending you right back to the start. To fix this, begin by closing the Monzo app completely. On iPhone or Android, go to Settings, find Monzo, and clear cache and data. This removes any expired login sessions that may be stuck. Next, open your email app and locate the new Monzo magic link. Here's the key step: make sure the link opens directly in the Monzo app, not in a web browser. If it opened in Chrome or Safari instead, copy the link, reopen the Monzo app manually and paste it there. That ensures the verification happens within the correct session. Still looping? Disable any VIN or ad blocking app temporarily. Monzo uses encrypted network checks, and VIN interference can block those confirmations. Also, confirm that your phone's date and time are set to automatic. An incorrect system clock can cause your login tokens to appear invalid. Once you've cleared the cache, updated your app, and opened the correct link, your account should load normally. So, the next time you're caught in a Monzo login loop, remember it's not your email or password. It's just a misfired connection between the app and the verification link. Fixing that sync usually gets you back into your account in seconds.